Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to start your Tune into Grammar book and chapter number 5. In my previous video, I have already completed the chapter number 4 that is describing word, and today's video we will learn about more on describing word that is given on chapter number 5. So for that you all take out your Tune into Grammar book and open chapter number 5 that is more on describing words. Okay, so first of all here is the activity for you. So you have to write about use 5 describing words to describe yourself and your friend. Write them in your notebook. Student, you must be write this given activity in your notebook. Okay, so before starting more on describing words, one more time I am going to repeat that what is describing word that we had already learned in our previous classes. Okay student, so what is describing word? Do you know that? In describing word we have learned that describing words tell us more about naming words. Describing words are words that describe the quality, quantity, shapes, colors of a people, person, things or place. Okay, that is the word that describe shape, color and quantity of the things. So student, here on page number 30, now you have learned about describing words that tell you more about naming words. Okay, so first of all read these sentences that is given on page number 30. So let's start the reading of these given sentences. So first is I like sweet candies. Second, I cannot lift the heavy bag. Third, this is an empty box. Fourth, it is a prickly cactus. Fifth, I had fresh fruits in the morning. So student, the words sweet, heavy, empty, prickly and fresh are describing words. These given words are describing words. So the describing words tell us more about naming words. Okay, here is the next. They describe the naming words candies, bag, box, cactus and fruits. It's all are example of naming words. And this given words sweet, happy, empty, prickly and fresh, they describe the naming words that is candies, bag, box, cactus and fruits. So student, here is the one more important things for you. You must be remembered that is describing words are also used to describe a person. See the example that follow. Here is some example you should follow. That describing word are also used to describe a person. For example, the words are given in the box. You must be read the given words that is. Now read these words: young, beautiful, tall, short, intelligent, naughty, pretty, brave, careless, kind, happy, lazy, lovely, loving and polite. Okay, so words like young, beautiful, tall and short help to describe a person's looks and qualities. Okay student, words like young, beautiful, tall, short help to describe a person looks and qualities. They are also describing words. Can you say which of these words describe you? So you can say that I am a beautiful girl, I have a long hair, or I have a short hair. And you must be say that I am 4 years old, I am 6 years old. You have to say your age. Okay student, so now next, moving to the next, that we have to learn about the describing word. That describing word describe a person, its quality, quantity, everything. Okay, so let's do the given exercise according to the knowledge of describing word that we have learned. That describing word describe a naming words. Okay, describing words tell us more about naming words. For example, I like sweet candies, I cannot lift the heavy bag, this is an empty box, it is a prickly cactus, I had fresh fruits in the morning. So student, like this we have to complete this given exercise that is given on page number 31. So let's do the given exercise of this chapter. So first of all, read the sentences, underline the describing words. Okay student, so we have to underline the given describing word that we have learned. So first is, I am reading a good book. I am reading a good book. So student, tell me which word is describing word. So as we all know that book is a thing, book is the name of a thing, so it is a noun, okay, and the given word good is example of describing word. The book is good, so we have to underline the describing word, that is good. Now the second, my house has a large gate. My house has a large gate. So tell me which word is a describing word. So student, the given word large is a describing word. The given word large describe the length of gate. Okay. Now the third, I like crispy cookies. I like crispy cookies. So here is the given describing word is crispy. Okay. Crispy. Now the next, number 4. In number third, I like crispy cookies. So here is the given describing word is crispy. Now the fourth, in number 4th, there is a sentence, I want some cold water. Student, in number 4, I want some cold water. So here is the given describing word is cold. So we have to underline the word cold. Okay. In number 4, we have underlined the word cold. Now moving to the next, that is number 5, I love pink cupcakes. I love pink cupcakes. So student, tell me which word is a describing word in this given sentence. So the given word pink is a describing word. It describes the color of cupcakes. Okay. Now the next, in number 6. In number 6, there is a what a lovely day. What a lovely day. So what is the describing word in this given sentence? So the describing word is lovely. Okay, so we have to underline the word lovely. Now the next, in number 7. In number 7, Lena has long hair. Lena has long hair. So the describing word is long. Okay, describing word is long. So we have to underline the word describing word, that is long. Now the next, number 8. In number 8, my mother likes yellow flowers. My mother likes yellow flowers. So the given word yellow is a describing word. So we have to underline it. Okay student. Now we are moving to the next, that is number 9. In number 9, my kind sister helped me pack my bag. My kind sister helped me pack my bag. So the given describing word is kind. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now moving to the next, that is number 10. In number 10, we should eat healthy food every day. In number 10, we should eat healthy food every day. So tell me student, which word is a describing word? So the describing word is healthy. Okay, so we have to underline the word healthy. So we should eat healthy food every day. So in this sentence, the given describing word is healthy. Now the 11th, number 11, there was bright light coming from the windows. In number 11, there was bright light coming from the windows. So the describing word is bright. Okay, so we have to underline the word bright. Now the next, number 12, please have some hot soup. Please have some hot soup. So the given word is hot. It is a describing word. Now the next, number 13, her father drives a fast car. Her father drives a fast car. So student, in this sentence, the describing word is fast. So we have to underline the word fast. Okay. Now moving to the next, that is number 14. In number 14, where is my blue shirt? In number 14, where is my blue shirt? So the describing word is blue. So we have to underline it. Now the next, moving to the next, that is number 50. The last one is the house has strong walls. The house has strong walls. So student, tell me which one is the describing word in this sentence? So the word strong is a describing word in this given sentence. So we have to underline it. Okay. Now one more time we are going to recheck this given describing word. So first of all, in number 1, there is a describing word is good. In second, large. In third, crispy. In number 4th, cold. In number 5, pink. In number 6, lovely. In number 7, long. In number 8, yellow. After that, in number 9, there is kind. In number 10, healthy. In number 10, healthy. In number 11, bright. In number 12, hot. In number 13, fast. We have to underline the describing word fast. In number 14, blue. In number 15, strong. So like this we have to complete this first exercise of this chapter. Okay students, so now your homework is you must be learn the definition of describing words, and after that you have also learned this describing words that is given on page number 31. Okay students, so these are your homework, you have to do it. I hope you all understood that how could you complete this given exercise in your book. So that's it for today. I will explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.